So hi, Coach Ronnie. Right here, I'm here right now with head coach Mike Hogan of the Shisha Volleyball Club, who came all the way from Kubasaki High School in Okinawa, Japan. So, Coach, good afternoon to you. May I just ask you, what are you guys doing here in the Philippines?
This is our third year in the Philippines, and we're a club volleyball team. All of the girls go to the same high school called Kubasaki in Okinawa, a mixture of different nationalities, and we're here to do community service for about a half a day, and then usually get a match about half a day for about a week long.
All right, so Coach, how do you find Philippine volleyball?
Really good. I knew it was pretty good because I've had a lot of Filipino-American friends that have spent time in the Philippines. So I thought we'd come out here and just see if we get some matches, and it's been excellent.
So, Coach, how did you hear about this tournament, and have you heard anything about the two teams playing today?
Yeah, we played the Ateneo junior team a couple years ago, and they were very good. So I kind of started following Filipino volleyball, and I'd heard of Alyssa Valdez and kind of the face of volleyball in the Philippines, and have been kind of looking at YouTube and been following it ever since for about the last 3 years.
All right, thank you very much, Coach.
Bredo, ang ating best player na naman na si Miss Alyssa Valdez.
Okay, so Alyssa, nakatapat din nyo ngayon NCAA champions. Inasahan mo ba na ganito yung magiging game?
Syempre naman, everyone naman expect a good game talaga today, and Aureliano gave us a good fight also. So, hands down din talaga, and they deserve talaga being the champions sa NCAA.
So Alyssa, nabalitaan ko rin na you're having to adjust daw kasi syempre you're taking up masters na ngayon and yung class schedule mo medyo magulo. How are you coping naman na ganito yung ginagawa mo tapos naglalaro ka pa ngayon sa volleyball?
Well, hindi lang din naman ako. I'm with Amy and Bea also. So, I think everyone has class naman eh. So, we really have, as a student athlete, we really know what our priorities are. So, ayun. And alam naman ni Coach Tay, nag-a-adjust din siya sa amin. So, we meet halfway naman.
So, Alyssa, ngayon naman clean record pa kayo. May improve pa ba ang Lady Eagles or satisfied din na sa laro ninyo?
Based sa game namin today, sobrang dami namin kailangan i-practice sa training talaga. Being consistent talaga inside the court, kailangan talaga namin. And teamwork, kailangan pa namin mag-jala sa team.
Okay, thank you very much, Alyssa. May gusto ka bang batiin ngayon?
Hi sa family ko siya sa San Juan, Batangas, Lola, and my mom, sa kapatid ko, and sa tatay ko sa Palawan, sa mga katrabaho niyo siya. And to all the fans na nanonood sa bahay, hello po!
Okay, so Alyssa, as player of the game, we present you this box of Shakey's Pizza. Alright, congratulations once again, and back to you guys.
Thanks, Trish. And thank you, Alyssa. And thank you, Ivy. At salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsama, pagtutok at pagsuporta sa inyong pong paboritong Shakey's Big League.